I'm Ainoor Naveed. So today we are also doing all of code with Anna and Elsa, which we left in our last lecture. We had completed till puzzle 10. We're gonna be continuing to puzzle 11. Continue. Let's read the instructions. Did you know every snowflake is a different shape? Let's create a new snowflake by using another repeat block to repeat a parallelogram 4 times, turning right by 90 degrees between each parallelogram. Let's see. When run, repeat 2 times these instructions and turn right by, let's do 90 degrees. And oops, forgot to wrap the repeat block around it. And we're gonna do 4 because there are 4 and reset, run like this. Congratulations, you completed puzzle 11. Off to puzzle 12. Now let's create a new snowflake by using the repeat block to repeat a parallelogram 10 times, turning right by 36 degrees between each one. Let's see. Repeat 2 times. This is it. Turn right by how many degrees? 36, as it is mentioned here. 36 degrees. And we're gonna repeat it 10 times, as is it written. Up and start. What a nice snowflake. Congratulations, you completed puzzle 12. Off to puzzle 13. A circle is a special shape. Can you figure out what number is to replace the question marks with to draw a circle? 360. As you know, the circle is 2 seconds. So move forward by 1 pixel, turn right by 1 degrees. And run. There. Congratulations, you completed puzzle 13. If you want to see the code, you can see it from here. Press show code. See? Okay, we're gonna continue. There is another video, we're gonna skip it. Use a new create a circle block to create 10 overlapping circles. Don't forget to jump forward between circles. Okay, create a circle. First we're gonna do smudge 10 overlapping circles. It's already written 10 times. Create a circle, jump pixels 25 pixels. We're gonna turn the speed up and run. It works. Congratulations, you completed puzzle 14. Off to puzzle 15. Now let's create 20 overlapping circles, turning 18 degrees between each circle. Repeat 20 times. Put the create a circle in here. Jump forward by 50 and turning 18. Let's see. It works. Congratulations, you completed puzzle 15. Off to puzzle 16. So, Elsa here says, here's a create circle block that can make circles of different sizes. Can you use this create a small circle of size 5 and a larger circle of size 10? Of course, Elsa. Create a circle and like this. Then you can choose the sizes. She first said size 5. We're gonna size 5 and over here size 10. Okay, 10. And run it. Congratulations, you completed puzzle 16. So continue. Intricate sum patterns can be created with very simple shapes. Can you make a pattern by repeating 5 circles of size 5 and 5 circles of size 10? Of course, first we choose it over here 5 size and 5 Okay, 10 here. We're gonna repeat it 5 times. Okay, wait. Turn right by, let's try 45 degrees. Yes. Wait, no, it doesn't work. We have to try again. What about 60? Still doesn't work. What about 72? I think it will be the one. Yes. I got confused. Now let's see. Congratulations, you completed puzzle 17. Continuing. Try using create a snowflake branch to create 3 branches which start to look like a snowflake. So we're gonna do create a snowflake and we're gonna put repeat 3 times. And run. Oh wait, I forgot. Turn right by 45 degrees. And run. Off to puzzle 19. Now let's repeat it 8 times to make a beautiful snowflake. Now we're gonna put this in. And oh wait. Run. Oops. Forgot to do this. Ta-da! Congratulations! You completed puzzle 19. Or to the last puzzle. Continue. Instructions. You officially become a master artist. Create a winter wonderland. Okay. So here's one run. We'll do a turn left. Oops. Turn left by 90 degrees. We'll change the degrees. Here, like 45 to 45. Okay. Now we're gonna do jump. And we're gonna do jump backward by 100 pixels. Jump backward by 100 pixels. No, we'll do it. What about 190? We'll do 190 pixels. And then we'll do turn left again by 45 degrees. Like this. Now we'll do the repeat block. Repeat 3 times. Okay. Now we'll put we'll go down here. Set color to white or random. I'll just do, yeah, random would look nice. Set color to random. Create a snowflake of type square. Let's see which one. I think I'll do random. Yeah, that would do. Jump. We'll do jump forward again. Jump forward. I'm gonna change the pixels. It will be jump forward by 135 pixels. Okay, so we're again gonna do this. Repeat 3 times, and we'll put this one inside here. So we'll put this one here. Change the option to backward, and we'll change the pixels to 409. So the next one we can do is jump right. Okay, we're gonna go up. Jump. Where is it? Jump. Is there a right option? No. Then we'll do turn. Turn right by turn right by 90 degrees, and then we can do jump forward by let's see, I think 127. Yeah, 127 pixels, and then we can finish it off by turning left by 90 degrees. Yeah, so we're gonna run it now. Okay, it looks wonderful. I mean, look at the different types of snowflakes. They look amazing. I love them. We can also change the type of snowflakes. Come here. Instead of random, we could do another one. But let's wait till it finishes. It looks nice. We can also do this. We can choose from anyone. I think I'll choose a flower and reset it and run. Then it will act like this. That looks nice. Okay, so that's all for today. We're gonna finish it. Congratulations, you've completed the final puzzle. Here is your drawing. Keep working on it or continue to the next puzzle. I'm gonna finish it. And it says you earned a certificate. I'm gonna enter my name and submit. Here. This is the certificate me and you earned. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Allah Hafiz.